All right, so why did it catch your tip? Why did it catch his tip? What did it start to do? It started to twist. So if you look at that now, if you think about it and you see it start to open up, if you just take the tip, you need to touch all the way over to the other side and then come across, right? Because if you got, like, if you think about it, if I put my whole bar across there, it could grab 8 or 10 teeth, you know, on a log. If I just use the tip, it can only grab a tooth or two, right? So when you think about it, you've created a notch under there. Now you need to be parallel to what? To the notch for your back cut. If you're reaching over, you don't get that far corner, then what does it become? A pivot point, a hinge point. And if you're going to get that out, you always want to push towards the bar with your chain. You don't want to pull the chain away from the bar if at all possible. You want to end up with pushing the chain into the bar rail so it doesn't pull your crankshaft or your bar tip. But you know, what I find is a lot of times, if you just take a few seconds, instead of sitting there with the saw running, jerking like crazy, just turn it off and look at the situation. And what just happened there? The fiber did what? You got a hinge on there on one side. So what is it doing? You see, if I put a straight kerf in the bottom and I start over from the top and the bottom touches, closes, now I've got pressure back and I've got pressure that can twist. If I've got a face notch in there, either slide notch or a whole notch out, if I start now from the back, I can sit there and watch it. And when you cut it off, it's going to drop straight off. All the pressure is gone out there. So just take your tip now and go from the far side over and see if it doesn't just drop pretty much. That'll keep you from messing up a crankshaft. All right, let's go. Maybe one more hit. Oh, it's going.
Thank you.
That's a tree.
That was a tree. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Well, you can or leave it. It's not really in your way if you go the other side. I might choose to cut out here at 6 feet or so, but I'm not going to put my legs in between it. I'm going to come out here so I can cut here so that it goes away from me. You see what I'm saying?
Yep.
You don't get in between those pieces because if it twists, then you can't get out. Uh-oh.
Oi, oi.